Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make that begin the icosahedron. Remember we talked about how 6 of them tessellate, and now we're just going to use 5 though for this so we have room to make it three-dimensional. The first thing I did is I cut a bunch of these strips of tape, little strips of tape, and I'm going to start to tape these together on the inside. So this is going to be the inside of my actual tetrahedron. And I want to make sure that my tape, I'm going to have to also tape it on the outside, but I'm going to make sure that my tape is well sealed, like holding well, because this tape's going to have to do a lot of work. And I'm making this flat, right? But then what's going to happen is they're going to start to fold like that, especially once I tape it on the outside too. So I'm going to fold that one into here. I'm going to line this one up, get another piece of the pre-cut tape that I already made, put this here, right? And this is just that first step of getting these all together. Basically, we're trying to get our 5 pieces to start to make a point up here. And if you notice, as they tessellate, this idea of tessellating mean that all the triangles line up is fantastic, except that if we did this all the way around and made 6 of them line up, so getting our full 360 degrees, we would have no room for it to fold into a three-dimensional object. Therefore, we have to do it like this, where now I'm getting my, let's see, this would be my 1, 2, 3, 4th piece. So I've taped together 4 edges. And then the really tricky part is the 5th edge. And this is where we have to do a little bit of folding and be careful with it. Because basically we haven't folded the outside. But you see this? We got our tessellated side. Now what we want to do is fold this up like this. And then I'm going to fold that last piece. So this is going to be a little tricky. And I'm hoping that we can see enough of it. But I'm going to get this last piece right here. And I'm going to try to fold or try to tape this. And I know you can hardly see this. I'm going to try to tape that piece as cleanly as I can. I'm going to once again reinforce it on the outside. But I'm trying to get that in there. Now, these should hold at least for this video. But you see, now it's three-dimensional, right? So those held, when I flip it over, you see that this is the top. And I'm trying to show you. This is the top of our icosahedron. And all these other sides of our tetrahedrons will start to fold together. So we basically are going to keep going with this and fold them together. And it should work, although now I'm starting to... So that's how we started.